Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54012 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called /Scott. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. So now here I am going to create the table called marks. Okay, so it contains column max physics and total. So total column is the sum of max and physics column. Okay, total as max plus physics, comma average. So average as total divided by 2. Average as total divided by 2. So it contains four fields, four fields. Okay, 4 columns. Okay, now let me create the table. You can see that ORA-54012 virtual column is referenced in a column expression. So what is the problem here is, so already total is a virtual column, that is it's a sum of max plus physics, but it was directly referred by a another column declaration. Okay, so in average column it was directly referred, that is virtual column you can't directly refer. So I am correcting the SQL query. So you can see this is the correct form of SQL query. So total is sum of max plus physics, average as max plus physics divided by 2. So this is the syntax. Okay, so the error is corrected and table is created successfully. Let me insert a record. Select star from marks. Yes, you can see that total is calculated and average is also calculated automatically. Okay, so this is the fix for ORA-54012 virtual column is referenced in a column expression.